Most people in Israel think all digital wallets do the same thing. That's where they get it wrong. Because in 2026, the wrong choice can quietly cost you extra fees, weaker rewards, and missed savings every time you pay. Here's the truth no one tells you. A digital wallet is not just a payment tool. It's a system that can either save you money or slowly drain it through fees and bad conversions. In this video, you'll learn the 10 best digital wallets in Israel for 2026, how they actually perform in daily life, and which ones help you save the most money while earning rewards and avoiding unnecessary fees. Let's start with the most widely used system, Apple Pay. In Israel, it is accepted in many stores and works seamlessly with iPhones. It is fast, secure, and very convenient for everyday payments. But here's the problem. It does not offer direct rewards unless linked to a rewards card. Now here's where it gets interesting. Google Pay is the main alternative for Android users. It works across many banks and provides smooth tap-to-pay experiences. Like Apple Pay, it focuses more on convenience than direct savings. For international transactions and online shopping, PayPal is still one of the most common tools. It is widely accepted and very easy to use, especially for global websites. But be careful, because currency conversion fees can add up quickly if you rely on it too much. Now let's talk about real money savings. Revolut is becoming extremely popular in Israel. It offers multi-currency accounts, real exchange rates, and strong budgeting tools. This is where many users start saving real money on travel and international spending. Another strong option is Wise. It is known for transparent fees and low-cost international transfers. If you send money abroad or get paid in foreign currencies, Wise often beats traditional banks by a wide margin. But here's what most people miss. Rewards-focused tools like Curve allow you to link multiple cards and stack benefits. This can help you earn cashback or rewards more efficiently without changing your main bank. Buy now, pay later services like Klarna are also used in Israel for flexible shopping. They help spread payments over time, but you need discipline to avoid overspending. Traditional Israeli banking apps from major banks still matter for salaries, savings, and bills. But they are not always optimized for rewards or international savings compared to fintech apps. Now, let's bring it all together. Most smart users in 2026 don't rely on one wallet. They combine layers. Apple Pay, or Google Pay, for daily payments, Revolut or Wise for international savings, and PayPal or Klarna for online shopping flexibility. And here's the final takeaway. The goal is not to pick one perfect wallet. The goal is to build a setup that reduces fees, increases rewards, and fits how you actually spend money. If this helped you understand your options clearly, hit like, leave a comment with your setup, and subscribe for more simple guides that help you make smarter financial decisions every day.